It's the 1st of December and we finally got quite a bit of snow. So in a symbolic way, true winter arrived right on the first day of the season. The snow mostly fell at night and I didn't get a chance to film this beauty of snowy day in the city. I haven't seen snow for more than 3 years and I really missed this vibe. Waking up and seeing the city covered with a white pillow lifted my mood. And it gave me the inspiration to make a video, which I've been struggling with lately. This cool snowy weather somehow makes being inside our little Khrushchevka apartment feel even cozier. And it's even more peaceful to enjoy it with a cup of coffee. Now it's sunny and about -4. It doesn't seem too cold, but we will check it out. The snow is melting, so I want to catch this moment of the snow. And the city is also preparing for the upcoming new year. I want to share this vibe. I've finished my coffee and ready to go. Now, going anywhere takes quite a bit of time and effort just to get dressed. But first, before we go to the city, I want to share some New Year and Christmas vibe from the Trans-Siberian train, which started its journey in November from Vladivostok. So let's go a little bit back in time. This train will travel across all of Russia, starting here in Vladivostok, all the way to Moscow, St. Petersburg and other cities. It will stop at almost every city to share performances and New Year congratulations with the local people. This is the post box, where kids send letters to the Russian Santa Claus, or, as it's literally called in Russian, Grandfather Frost. Grandfather Frost, or Santa, also has a granddaughter, called Snegurочка in Russian, the snow girl who helps him deliver gifts and do other festive tasks. When I was a small child, we had windows that were always covered with frozen patterns made by the frost, like this. And my grandma used to tell me that it was Grandfather Frost who painted them, and I always wanted to catch that magical moment. By the way, in Russia, a Christmas tree is not really a Christmas tree. I will share about it in some of my next video. This one is probably will be the place for skating. temperature now is about -5 and it's harder now to shoot video. My hands are freezing. The temperature now is not too cold, but when it's windy, it feels so cold. I even cry and I want to eat something. Warmed up and wanna go home because it's windy now and it's cold. During sunset, this church and this bridge become more bright and beautiful. On the way back home, inspired by the New Year vibe, I decided to buy some New Year decoration for our small apartment. So this is the next chapter on this channel, dedicated to the magic of winter. Hope you liked it and see you in the next one. Bye!